So I'm here with Dr. Greg Fabiano, Associate Professor of Counseling, School, and Educational Psychology at the University of Buffalo. Dr. Fabiano will talk to us about time out with children. So Dr. Fabiano, the first question I have is, what is time out?
That's a good question. Timeout is really shorthand for a longer term timeout from positive reinforcement. So when we talk about timeout, we're talking about having a child go to a situation which isn't as fun or interesting or engaging, usually following a negative behavior, and they have to stay there for some time until they get back into the time in, which is the nice part of the day where they're interacting with people and people are catching them being good and encouraging them to be successful.
So why should a parent use timeout? Are there any benefits?
There's potentially lots of benefits of timeout. One is that it's a way to be really consistent as a parent. One of the challenges of parenting is that oftentimes a child does something that's negative, like they might be aggressive or they don't mind their parent or they might talk back. And a parent in that situation often ends up working on their heels. They have to react to that. If they have a timeout program set up ahead of time, they know what happens once that behavior is exhibited by the child knows what's coming, and it's a way to always stick with the same sort of consistent consequence. And through that, over time, you hope the child learns that maybe I shouldn't do those sorts of behaviors so that I stay out of this timeout situation.
So what are some tips that you have for parents who want to start using timeout as a strategy?